Okay, this one's for Gabby.
The dreams that you did